Currency coins from different countries. Armenia drams, $1 is equal 406.69. Albania lakh, $1 is equal 114.70. Burmese kyat, $1 1.85. Sardinia dinar, $1 115.03. China's $1 6.75. Algeria dinar, $1 is equal 146.02. Japanese yen, $1 is equal 134.52. Cambodian rial, $1 is equal 4110 KHR. Pakistan rupees, $1 is equal 236.98 rupees. Afghanistan Afghani, $1 is equal 89.80. Georgia lari, $1 is equal 2.80. Saudi rial, $1 is equal 3.76. Ukraine hryvnia, $1 is equal 36.65. South Africa rand, $1 is equal 16.49. Philippines peso, $1 is equal 55.69p. Croatia kuna, $1 is equal 7.737 kin. Kazakh koruna, $1 is equal 24.10 kc. Euro, $1 is equal 0.98 euro. Kazakhstan tenge, $1 is equal 476.69 t. Russia ruble, $1 is equal 62.50p. Euro, $1 is equal 0.98 euro. Previous sol, $1 is equal 3.90 s. Bulgaria lev, $1 is equal 1.92 PIB. Turkish lira, $1 is equal 70.95. Hungary franc, $1 is equal 396.72 ft. UAE dirham, $1 is equal 3.69 d. Morocco dirham, $1 is equal 10.26 dm. Kuwaiti dinar, $1 is equal 0.31 dv. Azerbaijan manat, $1 is equal 1.70. Australia dollar, $1 is equal 1.43 as. Bangladesh taka, $1 is equal 94.11. Sri Lanka rupee, $1 is equal 364.15 rupees. Indonesia rupee, $1 is equal 14.877 rupee. South Korean won, $1 is equal 1,298.54. Euro, $1 is equal 0.98 euro. Vietnam's dong, $1 is equal 23,035. Bahraini dinar, $1 is equal 0.38. Thai baht, $1 is equal 36.42. Malaysian ringgit, $1 is equal 4.545 rand. Mexican peso, $1 is equal 20.29 max dollar. Brazilian real, $1 is equal 5.18 rupees. Indian rupee, $1 is equal 79.75. Canadian dollar, $1 is equal 1.2 CS. Argentina peso, $1 is equal 131.12. US dollar, $1 is equal $1. Pound sterling, $1 is equal 0.2 euro.